Welcome to Rob on Holiday. Today we're going to review the Hotel Santa Justa here in Lisbon. The Hotel Santa Justa is a 4-star hotel in Lisbon's historic centre. We stayed here for 3 nights in February, and in this video we'll be sharing our experience. The location of the Hotel Santa Justa is perfect for exploring a lot of Lisbon's neighbourhoods. If you look behind me, you can see the Rui Augusta Arch which leads out onto the Praça Comércio. We're only just 1 minute from the hotel as we walk down the street here, and if you look that way is the Santa Justa lift. Directly opposite from the Santa Justa lift, if you look up that way, you can see the castle. Now obviously it takes a fair bit of walking or the lifts to get to the castle, but you can see how well the hotel is located because it's close to all these places. From the Hotel Santa Justa, it's easy to get to Lisbon's most popular tourist attractions either on foot or by using public transport. The hotel is just around the corner from the famous Santa Justa lift and is just 550 metres from the Praça do Comércio. It's also just a 2-minute walk from the Praça de Figueira, where you can catch the metro to and from the airport and to the Expo 98 area, where you'll find the Lisbon Oceanarium. The 15E tram also sets off from the Praça de Figueira and takes you all the way to Belém, and the 737 bus takes you from the square up to the entrance of the Castelo de São Jorge. Finally, the first stop on the historic 28E tram route is just a 5-minute walk away in Praça Martim Moniz. So, as you can see, you couldn't pick a better location for getting around Lisbon. One interesting fact about the Hotel Santa Justa is it's located on both sides of the street. The reception is there and our room is across there in that block, but I have seen people checking in across this side of the street here. Now I don't know what the difference is or whether you can specify it when you book in, but it's something to bear in mind. For our trip we stayed in 2 comfort interior rooms. These rooms each sleep up to 2 adults and come with either 1 queen bed or 2 single beds. The room is spacious and comes with a minibar, which is completely free and restocked daily, a TV and a free safety deposit box. There is also free Wi-Fi and several plug sockets including a UK socket. The bathroom feels spacious and comes with a fantastic walk-in shower. For a 3-night stay over the weekend in February, each room costs €348, which is around €116 per night. Given the hotel's central location, I think this is a pretty good price. Please note we booked this hotel nearly a year in advance to get this price, so it may be more expensive if booking on short notice. One thing to know about the Hotel Santa Justa is that it's quite small, so there aren't too many facilities available for guests outside the rooms. The reception area is quite small and there is no waiting area. However, there is a luggage storage service available in your check-in and check-out days. The main facility at the hotel is the Elevador restaurant. This is where the hotel breakfast is served. However, we decided not to eat breakfast there since it cost a whopping €17 per person per day. The restaurant is also open for lunch and dinner and serves a variety of meat, fish and vegetarian dishes. One good perk of staying at the Hotel Santa Justa is that guests can enjoy free coffee and pastries in the restaurant every day from 4 PM to 6 PM. There is only a small selection of pastries and it is self-service, but it's a really nice touch. Another nice touch is the fact that the hotel provides a small bottle of port and 2 pastéis de nata custard tarts on your arrival day. The one other service that we used at this hotel was the laundry service. After a day out in the pouring rain in Sintra, our clothes were absolutely soaked, and so we decided to use the laundry service for the first time ever on our travels. Although it was expensive, the service ran very smoothly. You just package up your items in the bag provided, fill in the form, call the front desk and ask someone to collect your laundry, and it will be returned to you the next day. Thanks for watching Rob on Holiday. We hope you enjoyed our guide to the Hotel Santa Justa in Lisbon. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe because it really helps the channel, and keep an eye out for more great videos.